Now the topic before us is a repair technique used by antivirus software. This technique is used by antivirus software to remove only the malicious code from an infected legitimate file. This technique tries to remove the malicious code from the file. This technique is effective, or say most effective, when infection is minor. If the infection is on the heavy side, then this technique is not effective at all. Further, however, complex or polymorphic threats often resist repair. That is, repair technique is not effective in case of complex or polymorphic malware. The success of this technique depends on severity of infection and also the capabilities of antivirus software. If the repair, if repair process fails, what happens? The antivirus software will typically quarantine or delete the file, because repair has failed. Then the antivirus software has no option either to quarantine the file or to delete the file to prevent further spread of infection. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.